So if you're pretty much new to email marketing and you're wondering, okay, what is segmentation? Segmentation is really when you're creating different type of groups of people, like segment of leads that are different. So let's say that you're a business coach and you're trying to help people, scaling their business. Maybe you have two different courses. That was 4, okay? So maybe you have 2 different courses. The first one is for beginners and it's for people that have been doing business from 0 to 3 years. And the other ones is for people that, more advanced and have been doing business for maybe 4 or 5 years and more. So you want to make sure that you're tagging those people differently and you segmented them differently because they're not going to receive the same communication. One specific lead is a beginner and they need to receive information that are relatable and relevant to a beginner, and the other person is way more advanced. So if you're sending one type of emails that are supposed to be for beginners for all of your lists, then that's where you might lose those who are advanced. And you want to make sure that the second group of people who are the advanced entrepreneurs actually receive emails that are relevant to their situation. So that's why you want to segment your list. And hyper segmenting is, for example, going through what they bought in the last 90 days. If they're open their email in the last 60 days, this is how you hyper segment. Because more and more people are aware of the power of emails, and because more and more entrepreneurs want to build their system and structure, and they want to also make passive income with email marketing. So if you're interested about that, make sure that you look at some resources that I might have for you into the description box. If you have found this video helpful for you, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. So also remember that this channel is for those who are looking for more leads and customers and not just followers. So I hope that you will subscribe and I will see you on the next video. Peace.